Ever wondered how you can tackle those pesky insects in your home and garden naturally without the use of harmful chemicals? We're talking insect invasions and a unique natural solution: carnivorous plants. Are you curious to know which plants can do this job for you? Let's dive into the top 5 carnivorous plants for natural insect control. First up is the Venus flytrap, the most famous carnivorous plant. This captivating species lures insects with its sweet nectar, then snaps shut in a fraction of a second. Digesting its prey with enzymes, it's a fascinating blend of beauty and brutality. So if you're looking for a plant that's both fascinating and functional, the Venus flytrap is a great choice. Next on our list is the pitcher plant, a true insect nightmare. This carnivorous marvel lures prey with its vibrant colors and sweet nectar, only to trap them in its deep, slippery pit. With its alluring appearance and effective trapping mechanism, the pitcher plant is a perfect addition to any garden. Third on our list is the sundew plant, a sticky situation for any insect. This intriguing plant draws in insects with its sweet scent, then ensnares them with sticky tentacles. It slowly digests the trapped bug, nourishing itself. Sundew plant is not only effective against insects, but also adds a touch of exotic beauty to your garden. Fourth on our list is the butterwort plant, a slippery slope for insects. This unique beauty boasts sticky, insect-trapping leaves that not only capture but also digest unsuspecting bugs. Butterwort is great for indoor growers due to its small size and easy care. Lastly, we have the cobra lily, a deadly trap for insects. This fascinating plant lures its prey with a sweet scent, then ensnares them in a slippery downward spiral. Digestive enzymes then break down the unfortunate insect. The cobra lily is a great conversation starter and a natural insect deterrent. So, there you have it. 5 carnivorous plants that can help control the insect population in your home and garden naturally. We've journeyed through the intriguing world of Venus flytraps, pitcher plants, sundews, butterworts, and cobra lilies. Each one a marvel of nature, equipped with unique features to trap and eliminate pesky insects. Remember, nature has its own solutions. Don't forget to hit like if you found this video helpful and subscribe to our channel for more gardening insights.